அதர்வாய் செல்லு சென்றல் அலராத சிங்கவேல் குன்றனே கண்கள் மற்றொன்றினை காணாவே
ஸ்ரீசடாரி வந்து எல்லாருக்கும் ஸ்ரீசடாரி ஆன பிறகு கோஷ்டி அமரலாம்னு சொன்ன பிறகு உட்காருங்க. Those who could not get what I have just communicated in English, I am just only giving the same thing over there in English. Today's Mahotsavam is called Annakuda Mahotsav. It is being performed in all the Mahakshetras and Divya Kshetras after Diwali. In order to keep all those Bhaktajanas to attend and receive the blessings, it's been convened in this particular Kshetra, Sri Ramanuja Kshetra, on this Sunday, which you are all been witnessing right now. We have already seen the Strathamalai Sri Sadaram Sri Goshti is going on right now, and we will be distributing Vinyogam, Prasadam just now. Please receive it and then be quiet for some time over there. It will get over there in about half an hour time. In continuation to this, we may probably just tell these Bhakta Janas on the 3rd December, Srimad Dayan Singer, where he is performing pujas, daily pujas to the deity of Sri Aho beloved Malolan. There is a new golden mandapam has been consecrated. That's been dedicated on the 3rd December at Selayu. Srimad Dayan Singer will be performing Malola Nitya Puja only in this new golden mandapa, which constitute 1.5 kilos of gold. Also, it's more convenient for you people to be sitting and receiving the